Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 20th of September today, Wednesday, and in our today's review, Bitcoin makes upward impulse above $27,000 ahead of the Fed meeting, which is due today, and today we will try to find out will a bullish trend resume. So we have only one article today by Artem Petrenko. The article was written yesterday. So Artem says that activity in the crypto market is gradually increasing amid investors' strong confidence that the key interest rate will not be raised at the upcoming Fed meeting. The market is becoming more positive, which could lead to a strong upward movement in the near future. And the day before yesterday, Bitcoin managed to make an upward leap above 27,000 level, thanks to growing buying activity. As the date of the Fed meeting approaches, the volatility in the crypto market continues to rise, so we can expect an increase in such impulsive movements. It's quite likely that Bitcoin will respond to the positive news in advance, and the reaction to the meeting itself today will be minimal. However, the more interesting question is whether Bitcoin can use the positive period to establish a sustainable upward trend. So let's try to find out. So shortly, the macroeconomic background. So the most important event is today, the Fed meeting, and 99% of investors are confident that the interest rate will remain at the current level. Moreover, recently, JP Morgan reported that the Fed had completed its rate hike cycle, and yesterday Goldman Sachs analysts assured that the regulator would leave the rate unchanged both this time and in November. But even without the Fed's decisions, the US dollar feels great, exerting pressure on risky assets, including digital ones. It's reported that a net foreign investments in long-term and short-term US Treasury bonds, as well as banking products, amounted to a net inflow of $140.6 billion by the end of July. And this is one of the highest figures in the last 3 years. And the US dollar responded to the news by strengthening close to 105 level. At the same time, there are rumors that the Securities and Exchange Commission chairman Gary Gensler wants to approve one or more Bitcoin spot ETF and remain the head of the regulatory agency. Despite being rumors, they are supported by Bloomberg statements about a 75% chance of approving a spot crypto product in the US in October and November. And taken together, all these facts have positive impact on market sentiment and contribute to increased buying activity. So what does chart show us? Let's have a look. As of yesterday, daily trading volumes for Bitcoin have increased to $15 billion, which is quite unusual. On September 18th, Bitcoin made a bullish move towards 27,400 level, but after gathering liquidity, the asset returned to the 26,500-800 range. However, this impulsive movement confirmed the presence of strong buying pressure in the market and significantly increased the likelihood of further movement towards 27,500, 28,000 range. Among the immediate targets on the way to 28,000, it's worth highlighting the 27,500 range as a key platform for further upward movement. If market positivity continues and it is supported by news of the end of the rate hike cycle or approval of a spot ETF or anything else, something positive, the range of bullish targets may expand. However, it should be noted that Bitcoin is still within a downward trend, and a rapid return of quotes to the 26,500 level confirms the strong pressure, the strong bearish positions. So, making a conclusion, Artem says that the market has been engulfed by a wave of positivity supported by growing buying activity and the activation of large capital. In the near future, we can expect a retest of the 27,000 level and an attempt to move even further. At this stage, it's important to see growing buying volumes since seller pressure will not diminish. Based on the movement from yesterday and before yesterday, we haven't seen increasing bullish volumes, so it's still too early to talk about even a local reversal. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 20th of September and Bitcoin opened today at the point 27,259 and now it is trading at 27,071. So as for the moment, Bitcoin steadily holds that very 27,000 level. It hasn't only jumped to this level, it managed to hold it. And it's a little above this important level. But as the Fed meeting is approaching today, in the second half of the day, the market volatility will be low. We can expect that. And after that, already something may change. Something may not. We will see. Anyway, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review and discuss what has happened. And please leave your comments and questions down below. And have a nice day. Have a profitable trading. See you next time.